The game plan here is I'm just gonna pretty much just sit in the chair, kick back, go with a couple different poses that feel like, oh man, this feels like sort of, I'm not going for seductive per se, but some sort of feeling of seduction is in there and built in, because that's kind of what cologne ads do, and that's something that I think is really cool, the cologne ad shots. And so we're gonna just set this up and go for a couple shots, set the timer back and forth. I'll come over here, hit one pose, hit another pose. But the whole point of this is use your time, use your paid travel to shoot other things. I wouldn't have access to a room of this design without me having to pay for it and go book a hotel just to do this shoot on my own. And this one, you know, we're, I don't know how many hundreds of miles away from my home. So to get to this specific feel, I haven't been to a hotel room with this chair. It's just like, man, that's a cool spot. So use that time to capture more shots for yourself, not just for content for social media, but use this as, what would it feel like? What would it look like if I were in a cologne ad and I'm shooting this right now? So that's what I'm going through right now.